to 79 kilometers per hour, leading to widespread disruptions across the city. The storm caused significant damage. Trees were uprooted, power lines were downed, and traffic was brought to a standstill. Public transportation systems, including metro services, faced delays, and several flights were canceled or diverted. Tragically, at least 6 people lost their lives, and numerous others were injured due to the severe weather conditions. The India Meteorological Department, IMD, attributed this sudden weather change to a western disturbance, a weather system originating from the Mediterranean region